Hello and welcome to the wonderful and profitable world of Forex trading. Forex Trading for Newbies is the course that will show you step by step how to be a successful Forex trader even if you're starting from scratch. So without further ado, let's explore what's covered in this exciting Forex trading course. Alright, the very first step to working with MetaTrader, of course, is to download MetaTrader itself. And we go to metaquotes.net for that. Scroll down here to download client terminal and open demo account. Scroll down here, download MetaTrader. And I like saving it to a folder on the hard drive. Your situation may be different. Some people may choose to run it from the actual site, but that's not my particular preference. We'll save mt4setup.exe right here. Looks like the site is busy today. And then we'll open up the folder here. We'll pop right in. There we are. So we'll double click on the executable file here and we'll install. This installation will be in English. Read the end user license agreement and agree to it. Decide where you'd like for it to be installed. Typically, Windows machines, it's in the C program files directory. Okay, so here we go. Now let's launch MetaTrader. Alrighty, here we are. We are inside of MetaTrader. This is the default screen that pops up. And let's take a gander over here. We'll pop over here, go down, and here where it says open account. And this is what you'll have to do in order to get the live data coming in. You'll have to put in your name, country, state, etc. All this information here, your phone number, the level of leverage that you'd like. 1 to 100 is the default here. The currency, your email address, as well as the amount you'd like to start off with. A simple example, we're going to start off with $5,000, a modest amount of money to start trading with in order to show that this amount of money can grow. You'll agree to subscribe to the newsletters before you can get a next down here, so you'll notice that. Now, I'm already signed up for this, so this is already all set. Once you sign up, you'll be here. Your data will be live, and you'll notice down here in the trade that the equity balance will be $5,000, which was the amount that we previously specified. For setting up MetaTrader, this is what we've done. We've downloaded MetaTrader from the metaquotes.net site. We've installed MetaTrader in our program files directory, or whichever directory you chose. And we've signed up for the demo account. When you receive you'll receive a username and passwords for your demo account, and keep those in a safe place when you receive those. So we're all set to trade and explore trading inside of MetaTrader. What we're going to do next is we're going to explore the features of MetaTrader so that we can customize the look and feel and make it a comfortable platform for us to work with. Thank you. Hello and welcome to the Forex Trading for Newbies Forex Trading course overview. Here are some of the things that you are going to be learning in this exciting Forex Trading course. First, you're going to learn how to download and install your free Forex trading software. The great thing about this, naturally besides the fact that it's free, is that it is full featured. What you can do with this software is you can chart any of your favorite Forex currency pairs, you get real-time data, and you also get a practice account where you have the ability to see how things progress with your trading before you commit real funds. This is very exciting news and will allow you to hone your Forex trading skills as we continue through the course and allow you to follow along step by step and do things in exactly the right fashion. We have a quick start tutorial for you that will help you hit the ground running, so to speak. The quick start tutorial goes through lots of things in an abbreviated form in order to get you set up, again, as quickly as possible. Also, how to set up your Forex trading software, creating your workspace for profit. This is a more in-depth, step-by-step setup so that you can tweak your software workspace exactly the way you want it. And also, we show you how to set up each of the screens that we'll be using in the course so that it's so much easier for you to follow along and understand instantly all the things that are going on so that it makes perfect sense to you and that Forex trading becomes simpler than you ever thought possible. The ever important introduction to risk control. There is no such thing as reward without risk. We want you to know that up front. We want you to be an educated Forex trader, and learning about risk control is absolutely essential. Here is where the rubber meets the road. There's a lot of theory surrounding Forex trading, but it's important to see live trading examples. So, we'll show you how to place trades with your software in the same fashion as we're doing in the live trading examples. Another live trading example, we show you the use of indicators and how indicators can be used to create your own customized Forex system. Breakout trading, very, very, very effective. Breakout trading takes advantage of trend momentum, either bullish or bearish, and allows you to ride that trend for maximum profit. Another live trading example, because we learn by doing the best way. Live trade follow-up, absolutely essential to cover what went right with the trades, what went wrong with the trades, etc. More live trade wrap-up here. Essential Forex correlation trading, how the currency pairs move in relation to one another can make the difference between mediocre trading results and incredible trading success. And we go into this so that you will understand the basics of Forex correlation trading. Forex support and resistance, very, very important to get an idea of where prices may travel, where momentum may begin, where momentum may end. These are all very important things for you to know. And quite naturally, much, much more is covered in this extensive Forex Trading for Newbies course. So, without further ado, we're going to jump right in and start trading Forex.